G'day, coffee enthusiasts. Let's dive straight into the art of coffee maintenance. Ever wonder how often you should descale your coffee machine? The answer: every 1 to 3 months. A well-maintained machine guarantees that each cup tastes as good as the first. What about water quality? Ever heard of low TDS water? TDS stands for total dissolved solids. The lower the TDS, the better your coffee will taste. Why, you ask? Low TDS water allows the coffee's flavors to shine through, making every sip a delightful experience. So remember, descale your machine regularly and use low TDS water. These 2 simple steps can elevate your coffee game to new heights. Cheers to a great cuppa.